Morocco is quietly becoming one of the easiest African destinations for Indian travelers. But here's the surprising part. Many people applying for a Morocco visa still wait several days for approval, when in reality, many applications can be approved in about 24 hours. And no, it does not involve any hacks or workarounds. Let me explain how. Morocco launched the e-visa specifically to make entry more accessible for Indian travelers. The official processing time, as stated on the Moroccan Ministry of Foreign Affairs portal, is 2 to 3 days. The e-visa is valid for 180 days from the date of issue, allows a stay of up to 30 days, and can be extended once for another 30 days after arrival, giving you up to 60 days in one trip. It's a single entry visa, and the application is entirely digital. No embassy visit, no physical appointments, no document courier. And when you compare that to the embassy route, you'll see that the gap is huge. The key to faster approvals, some of them being even less than 24 hours, is pretty simple. Submit a complete and accurate application the first time. That means clear passport scans, correct travel dates, proper photo specifications, and accurate personal details. Even small mismatches can slow things down. Or simply apply through Atlys. Atlys handles the submission, document review, and any follow-ups needed, so you're not refreshing the portal wondering where your visa is. Morocco has always offered an incredible mix of culture, architecture, deserts, and coastlines. And thanks to this e-visa system, it's becoming one of the easiest countries for Indians to visit. Just make sure your application is done right with Atlys. Subscribe for more visa guides.